angles lesson. Today we are going to learn about these angles: alternate angles, corresponding angles and interior angles. Look at here, angles on opposite sides of the intersecting line. This is the intersecting line, opposite side. This angle x, then opposite side angle this also x. This angle is y, opposite side angle y, opposite side angle y. It tells angles on opposite sides of the intersecting line are called alternate angles. They are found in Z shapes. Alternate angles can found in Z shapes. Listen again, angles on opposite side, x, y, opposite side of the intersecting line. Opposite side of the intersecting line are called alternate angles. We can found these alternate angles in Z shapes. These angles are equal, that is alternate angles. When discussing about corresponding angles, angles in the same place, in top and bottom, sets of angles are called corresponding angles. Angles in the same place in top and bottom, sets of angles are called corresponding angles. These two are also equal, x top, bottom. Top, bottom, this angle, these two are also equal. They are found in F shapes, letter F shape. Next type of angle, interior angles. Interior angles are between two parallel lines added up to 180. These two are interior angles. When we add these two together, it becomes 180. These are the three types of angles: alternate angles, opposite sides of angles are equal. Here as corresponding angles, top bottom, these two are equal. Interior angles, two angles add up to 180. We'll see. Now we'll try to do this sum. Look at here, this sum. We have to find the value of this angle, B angle. Given the value here 35 as 35. Then how are we going to find this? That is given 35 as this angle under alternate angles. We already know opposite sides angles are equal. Then this angle is 35, this angle also become 35. Then these two angles equal, be equal 35. Very easy, we found B angle is 35 degrees. Look at again here, given the value of this angle 35. Then under these alternate angles, this is the Z shape, this angle equal this angle. Then this angle become 35 degrees. This angle equals to B angle, then the value of B angle is 35. Then look at here, corresponding angles. Under that, given value is 117 degrees, we have to find this angle, value of this angle. Then under this corresponding angles, top bottom, that means this angle, same. This angle equal to this angle, that is 170, same. Then these two equal, B equal to 117. Again B equal to 117 in this figure. Now we will move to here, interior and interior angles. Given value is 108. We have to find angle F. Then how are we going to find this? Under this this angle equals to this angle. Then it becomes 108. Value is decrease 108. Then when interior angles, these two angles added up to 180. Value of this angle is 108 degrees plus this angle F equal 180 degrees. Then how are we going to find angle F? Angle F equal 180 degrees subtract 108 degrees. What is the value of here? 0, we borrow 1, then 2, here 7. This is the value of angle F. We found this. Again I will explain. These are alternate angles. Alternate angles means angles on opposite sides of the intersecting line are equal. We can find these alternate angles in ZZs. Corresponding angles in the same place as top bottom. Sets of angles are called corresponding angles. Both angles are equal, can found in F shapes. Interior angles, that is angles between parallel two lines. These angles added up to 180. When we follow these points, we can find any value of angle according to this.